2026 marks the spark of that cosmic collision. That cosmic collision that we are now embodying and anchoring into the earth, into the full form frequency. What does that mean for you? Well, right now we are in the end of 2025. It is that snake energy, that releasing, that shedding. What is it asking you to do? It is asking you to release the distortion. It is asking you to get out of the mind and ego of always searching for the answers outside of the self. Yes, wherever you are in the distortion, believing that the answers and that your divine masculine is outside of you, then you are in the distortion. You are choosing the lower timeline. What we are now welcoming in is that beautiful fire horse frequency of 2026, where that collision happens, where that beautiful masculine and feminine frequency come in that beautiful harmonized Zen frequency. But right now you have two paths, and it's up to you what you choose. I.e., you can stay in the mind and ego trying to figure out the journey, or you can go within and align with soul. When you go within, you align with soul and you step into that cosmic sovereign frequency. The journey was meant to break you completely and utterly. The journey was meant to collapse your complete identity. This doesn't happen just for some twin flames, it happens for all twin flames. That Kundalini was there to purify you, was there for you to transform. And while you may be feeling grief, loss, anger, feeling like you are being betrayed and you have been abandoned, that was all supposed to happen. Why? Because this is an activation. It is an activation of the Christ conscious frequency. You cannot do that while you are stuck in the mind and ego. And one thing that happens on this journey is you start to shed the mind and ego of the 3D. And once you have done this, you step into that spiritual frequency, you step into that soul alignment. But one thing that can keep you trapped on the journey is being trapped in the spiritual ego. Once the spiritual ego takes place, it is very hard to fully surrender into the journey and trust in that Christ conscious frequency. The Christ conscious frequency that has been ignited, it has been sparked within you. And you still want to control the journey, to try and figure out the quickest way to union and the quickest way on your journey. That is not what you are here as that divine feminine. You as the divine feminine embody the Sophia Christ conscious frequency. It is the divine masculine, which is the mirror, that embodies that God frequency. And when the two come in, that merge happens. But wherever you are trying to do the masculine work of take action instead of lean back and surrender, you are forcing the connection and you will stay in separation consciousness. This journey is way bigger than a few crystals and a few candles and a bit of manifestation. This is a journey back to the true essence, the frequency of divine source, frequency of absolute. It goes beyond anything that the mind can comprehend. And so once you start to lean back and fully surrender and fully trust in divine and step into your creative soul alignment and align with your soul purpose, you know, this journey didn't happen by mistake. This happened so you could rebirth into that beautiful frequency and align with divine. This is why your soul purpose will call to you over and over on this journey, because you are called in as that divine feminine to align with your soul purpose, your soul mission. You are here because you are here as the collective, helping to rebirth that creative life force frequency that has awoken now on the earth. If you need more help and support, and if you're ready to really shift this, get out of 2025 looping energy, 2024, get out of that energy and start to really shift on your journey and start to step into that beautiful frequency, that cosmic frequency of 2026, then on the 1st of December, we start detox. We go all the way into what is the truth of the journey, how to get out of the mind and ego, how to align with that soul essence so you become that magnetic creative frequency. That magnetic creative frequency is what divine masculine magnetizes in on and aligns with. When you start to shift in that frequency, your whole journey starts to change. If you're ready, we are starting on the 1st of December. We're only a day or so away. My website is there. It's the 3 W's, catsacredsoul.com. catsacredsoul.com. You can join either by Awaken to Consciousness or the Twin Flame course. The Twin Flame course gives you lifetime access and it gives you the A to Z of the journey. You also get support in there. You get the 30 days where we support you every single day, step by step by step by step, to shift out of that mind and ego and align fully with that beautiful Christ conscious frequency and alignment and truth of what true twin flames are here to align with. I send you so much love. Have a beautiful, blessed day.